my third semester here, so I'm looking for internships right now. I did my undergrad in energy and environmental engineering and then worked a little bit in the construction industry. That's why my concentration is sustainable energy. But I'm also doing my certificate in climate mitigation adaptation because I thought it aligned like very well together, and also what I already did and what I want to do. So yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Lisa. I'm from France and it's my second semester here. I am doing my master's in sustainable tourism and I have a concentration in renewable energies. I have a background and I have a bachelor in world languages and cultures that I did back in France. And yeah, I was just always emerging in tourism, and so I always thought it was a great thing to be part of and definitely to be more sustainable about it. So yeah, that's how it is.
Hello everyone again. My name is Corina Reyes. I'm international student from Venezuela. I'm doing my concentration in sustainable energy. I'm pursuing my sustainable certificate in business. I hold a bachelor degree in petroleum engineering, so I have done more 12 years of experience. I'm here because I like the include the environment part in my development career path. So here I found like the perfect combination, the engineering, business, and environment.
Hey everyone, my name is Kayla Caselli. I'm an alumni, so I graduated in 2022. My concentration was in food, and I'm pretty sure I got certificates in water and climate change has been a bit. I currently work for the city of Tampa in the sustainability office. We're a small team of 3. 2 of us focus on everything sustainability. One person focused specifically just on renewable energy efficiency. And my undergraduate degree was in animal sciences, so I have more of like an agricultural background.
It's no wonder we hit it off. Bachelor's is also in animal science.
Well, look at that.
So when he said anthropology to zoology, they were not lying. Wonderful, thank you.
Yeah. Like I said, in engineering, but it was basically, I had most of my classes with mechanical engineers. I had like 2 classes in like life cycle assessments and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, I know the technical part now, but what about like all the renewable energies and like sustainability is so huge. And then I saw Patel College of Global Sustainability and how many concentrations they have, and I talked to them and they were like, yeah, and you can also like choose between the concentration and take classes you're interested in. And I was like, this is actually what I'm looking for. Because I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I know I really like the renewable energy part, but we have to take like the core courses, and like right now I'm taking economic and finance, and so I see like how important that is too, because you can't just have a graded year and then be like, okay, but I don't care about the money. So so yeah, I think this is like one reason why I choose PCGS, because yeah, you can do a lot, and also working like volunteering at Rosebud Continuum, where I mean, I didn't know it before, but right now when I'm here, I'm like, okay, it's even like greater now because we can volunteer and work like kind of like on field on like sustainable solutions. Like you can actually do whatever you want. You can work like on like with biodigesters or aquaponics or renewable energies. So yeah, it's pretty cool here.
Does anyone else like to share, or should I do another question?
I mean, I can go. So I knew I wanted to go to grad school, but I didn't exactly know when, or I knew it would be sustainability focused. Didn't even know when I graduated from undergrad that there was a graduate degree with like sustainability in the title. So in the undergraduate, where I got my undergrad, there was no sustainability like majors, and I mean, I think sustainability was inherently like potentially woven into other departments, but this idea of bringing all sustainability like thoughts and projects under one roof together with, you know, the different concentrations was really unique, and it piqued my interest, to say the least. And I also just really thought Tampa was nice, so that was another just benefit, you know.
That's nice. Yeah. Wonderful, thank you. So I'm Curia Association. I'm part of that board, and while it does
sustainability in the name. It is very connected, and ended up running an entire conference a few years ago with the theme of sustainability because of this college. So things you do outside of the school, they'll eventually weave in. So are any of you involved in anything exciting? Yeah.
Okay. So right now I'm the social media officer for the student-led organization Glow. So we do a lot of different events. We have bi-weekly meetings, and it's mostly undergrads, but it's great because they have another um, point of view of sustainability. It's great to just get together. They're like-minded people. So it's really great. We have a lot of things we do. We actually finished our last meeting this semester, but it's continuing. It's a lot of fun, and we're just a little family trying to be sustainable and have like a lot of fun while doing it. Um, yeah, I participate in like challenges and stuff. I just did a food sustainability challenge to reduce food waste on campus. So yeah, there's like a lot of different options that you can do outside of the college. It's great to see that there's sustainability initiatives being like started on campus. Either it's in Tampa, Sarasota, or Tempe. There's just a lot of different things, and students are being more aware every day that sustainability is the future. So there's definitely more than just PCGS here, and you can start your own thing, honestly, and just like we can go together to Rosebud. It's not part of our courses, but we just go there to like throw plastic or throw food waste in a biodigester, and it's just kind of like our lifestyle now.
That is so true. Should go back. My apartment looks not good.
All right, and the last question is, I know we're all kind of at different phases